Welcome to the best picks. The best COVID test is probably one of the most essential tools we have in our arsenal for navigating the ongoing pandemic, offering a convenient and accessible way to quickly determine if you or a loved one has contracted the virus, thereby enabling prompt isolation and reducing further spread within our communities and workplaces. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results quickly and conveniently, right in your own home. Join millions of families who trust our product. It's FDA authorized for over-the-counter use, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. No more waiting for lab results. This test provides accurate detection of COVID-19 in just 15 minutes, using a simple nasal swab. Stay informed about the evolving virus. Our test is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants, keeping you protected. Testing is simple and causes minimal discomfort. Just a quick, non-invasive nasal swab is needed for accurate results. This test is suitable for individuals aged 2 and above. Adult collection is required for younger children, making it a versatile option for the whole family. What we like? This is a highly trusted option, backed by extensive national distribution. It's designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants, keeping you informed. If you're looking for a reliable and widely used test with a comfortable nasal swab, this is a great choice for general household use. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The test kit includes everything needed for testing, and the instructions are clear. Number 4. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Detect COVID-19 quickly and accurately with our 15-minute self-test. Get results from the comfort of your home, no lab shipments needed. Testing is simple and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Just insert it slightly for easy sample collection. Optional app support is available. This self-test is recommended for individuals 15 and older. Adults can administer the test for children aged 2 to 14. Easily monitor and track test results for your group, whether at school, work, or events, using our convenient mobile app. Each test component is individually sealed for your safety and hygiene. Enjoy a secure and clean testing experience every time. What we like? This option offers convenient group testing management via a mobile app, perfect for schools or workplaces. Its independently sealed packaging ensures hygiene. If you need to monitor results for a group or prefer individually packaged tests for peace of mind, this is the one to consider. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The test functions well and has a clear display for the results. Number 3. CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use, making it easy to access and use without a prescription. It's designed for individuals ages 2 and older. Our easy-to-use design means you simply swab and test. It provides a convenient way to check for COVID-19. Rest assured, it can detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern, including Delta and Omicron. Stay informed about your health. Receive your results in just 15 minutes. This allows you to be prepared for important moments without delay. Each pack contains 5 individual tests, providing multiple testing opportunities for your household. It's a comprehensive solution for your testing needs. What we like? This kit comes with 5 tests, offering good value for multiple uses. It's designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern. If you need a multi-pack for regular testing or want to ensure you're covered against the latest strains, this is a solid pick. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results within 15 minutes. The design of the test is user-friendly, making it simple for anyone to perform the test at home. The test kit includes all the necessary components for a complete test, ensuring convenience and reliability. Number 2. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit, 2-pack. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes, right at home. No appointment or lab visit is necessary, making it ideal for quick screening. The collection process is comfortable and easy, with a soft and short swab. It's perfect for self-collection for individuals 14 and older, or with adult assistance for those aged 2 and up. Skip the clinics and long waits. You can perform this test at home whenever you need peace of mind. No prescription or lab drop-off is required. This test provides quick and dependable results for individuals aged 2 and above. It includes clear instructions for both self-testing and assisted testing. Everything you need is included in the box for fast, confident results. Just open it up and follow the simple guide. What we like. This is a complete kit with everything you need for easy testing at home. It features a gentle, non-invasive nasal swab for maximum comfort. If you prioritize convenience and a straightforward testing experience without needing a prescription or lab visit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a clear reading. The test kit includes everything needed for testing, and the instructions are straightforward. Number 1. SpeedySwab COVID-19 Rapid Antigen Home Test. Get reliable results in just 15 minutes. This test is designed for quick and easy use at home. It not only detects COVID-19 but also checks for flu A and flu B from a single nasal sample. Simply use the non-invasive nasal swab. Results are clearly displayed on the test window. This test is authorized by the FDA under Emergency Use Authorization for rapid detection. If your initial result is negative but symptoms persist, retesting in 48 hours is recommended. Individuals aged 14 and older can self-collect samples. Younger children require adult assistance. What we like. This test offers a unique advantage by detecting not only COVID-19 but also flu A and flu B from a single nasal sample. The 2-pack is ideal for covering initial testing and recommended retesting. If you want to get a comprehensive picture of respiratory illnesses with one test, especially during flu season, this is the standout choice. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The test kit includes all the necessary components for a quick and reliable result. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.